okay, this Okaigele now when come go they protest, una fit tell me, because every community get Okaigele. As a community leader of Idokpa, as Okaigele of Idokpa, you fit show me upon all the lands, everything when you say for that community. You fit show me one powerful support when you don't bring out for security for your community. They mean we provide to secure the people who were here. What is your contribution towards the affair of securing the state? Oh, wow, which is very wrong. Me, I don't know say una many like this. Me, I don't know say we get Okaigele for Edo State because ni me ya nware me me mi opa no ma. Ni me na ya kan oda Okaigele or base school na, Okaigele or hospital na, Okaigele or donate bus na, Okaigele or nya security na. Error, una just be bunch and group of greedy, stingy, senseless people. When you they run after their stomach money, una don't sell everywhere. Wahio tofone. Now una even cause the problem so. Because una they sell, many of una not get future, una not get plan, una not get anything. Una to just sell, buy car, sell, marry woman, carry girls, drink and eat. Now make an waga ihiene ya kwafone. Una come they resell the land, sell one land to 3 people again. Now una create the problem for una self. As Okaigele now when come they protest for Oba Palace, for Oba to come to your rescue. Can you show us one development, one primary school, one secondary school, one world standard hospital when you build as Okaigele of your community, for your own community? Can you show it? We are mere Latin. Can you show us one road? Because Igor Renu here will tell a community way. Can you tell us what you do for that same community? When first you that so much money, when first you that so much weight, you feel show us. Oh, but why who are in Latin? Do I protest? Do I fear? Unu buy a esme egbo wameto wana Latin as Okaigele. Do hawa erima bureo no sunu vedo na erima buimareo ona a plan ni mame woto maniji wenu do support mana ya wefo no na only una stomach una belle una pocket now una know many of una today I you go a community wa Okaigele now this shameless Okaigele when they go cry because arieve ayi wanuri unwe community why una you go with the learner. How many group of yourself you don't organize to take secure even the people you sell land for, to make sure say their lives and properties are safe in your own community as Okaigele? What have you done? What you don't give back to the community when first you that so much money and weight? Error. Una not get one single thing to show. Say this one are the donation of your support to your community. Ide Okaigele come. And moreover, to the Obaseki, I not support when Obaseki dissolve the Okaigele. I not support. Not be everything they go they dissolve. Okay? Okaigele is in our traditional way, it just be like Nigerian government now go just say because 85% of Nigerian police corrupt, they go just dissolve police force. No, they go rebrand them, they go restructure them. So I not support Obaseki for dissolving the Okaigele. I support the idea of rebranding the Okaigele. You need to rebrand them and fish out the evil ones, give them conditions and guidelines as Okaigele of your community. This is what you need to do. This is what you must do. This is how you must give back and secure your own community. Not be to ban down, not be to dissolve. Every year dissolve. How many times Nigerian government don't dissolve military? Say corruption dey there. No, they not dey dissolve am na body. You don't go your dissolve am like that. Wetin you go do? You go reshuffle am, rebrand am, try to rebuild am. So I no support for Obaseki to dissolve this Okayele group, Okayele whatever during this artifact time. I smell something is fishy. Governor Godwin Obaseki is up to something. Guys, I beg, Mona, help me share this video, share and invite others. It is very, very important. I smell fish. Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki, when can dissolve this Okayele so during this artifact issue and matter on ground. I believe and I smell and say Obaseki is up to something. Yes, it's up to something. Even if Obaseki won't even dissolve that Okayele or he won't do anything, not be now when we get this artifact issue on ground. Obaseki gave one Mukonya Kosi, and it's very unfair. In my opinion, wetin I smell is that wetin make me believe say Obaseki get plan towards our artifact, or Obaseki get wetin dey plan for hand. So you see all this youth, you see all this Okayele as something or as group of people when fit stand against am tomorrow. So Obaseki decide to dissolve the Okayele group right now to silence them, so that again you are saying all this one now go dey in disarray, all this one now go dey confused, the group now go come dey scatter. Some now go because of they want continue to dey eat because of hunger to go support Obaseki. Some now go say okay, whether they give me, they not give me, I don't know whether government dey there, I still stand with our palace. You now understand? So I not support Obaseki at all for this Okayele when it dissolve. I think and I believe Obaseki dissolve this Okayele group just to spite on our palace, just to spite on the upcoming program and plan where Obaseki gets against our Benin artifact. I believe Obaseki dissolved this Okayele group so that by the time Obaseki go ahead with his stubbornness and with the original plan, so that if as in dissolve am, so if our royal fathers not talk well, not stand well, all this youth now go come dey vex for our royal father. So that when Obaseki go hold that artifact matter now come begin to deal with Benin people, so that all these youth now go because of hunger start to support the state governor against the traditional rulers. Now wetin me I think, now wetin me I see be that one. Say Obaseki purposely ban this Okayele to make these people hungry, to make these people scatter. So that when that artifact matter go come, so that 85% of these people when they used to money, free money or fair money, go come their governor side now. Go come they work for the governor against